Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to do a half color change. So the half color change leaves the body of the stitch, in this case my X's, in one color, and then the pull through is in a different color. So to do that, you insert your hook, we're going to drop the working color and pick up the new color. And then when we're gonna pull through this coral color again, I'm gonna twist them and I hold it tight here and then pull through that coral color. And then again, I'm gonna drop that to the front, go in, pick up my green, and I'm gonna twist them together again and hold it and pull through my coral. I'm going to drop it to the front again, pick up my green, twist them together again, and do my coral. Now I've left a link in the pattern to Club Crochet, who does it a different way. I couldn't get it to work the way that he does it, the way I hold my tension, but maybe it will work for some of you guys. So this is how I've been doing it. So it creates a nice, smooth color change, and there is a nice twisting on the back to keep it all secure. So I also wanted to show you how to do the color changes for the bass along the lateral line. Let's pretend that this coral color is the belly, this light green is the body color, and this forest green is actually the same green that we would use. So frequently, when you get done with belly, you will pull through the body color in that last stitch, and then you will crochet the next stitch in that body color with a pull through of the forest green. So it is key to keep everything tight in these color changes, so you can just twist them together before working the stitch they're going to be under. That'll help them be tight, and then twist it back to the front when you have to pull through a new color. And make sure it's nice and snug when you're pulling it through. You can always give them a little tug if you think they're too high, but you'll see that that twist makes it harder to tighten them too. So pull through one color, twist it to the front, then finish that stitch. And that's how you'll do the color changes on the bass.